Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we'll be making pumpkin soup with some ginger. Oh, it's my favorite. It's my new favorite soup. Or maybe my second favorite. But anyway, I like ginger in the soup because it brings some warmth to your soup and it's very delicious. So, let's get to it. So for this recipe we need some, I don't need the whole pumpkin. So what I went to the store and just bought a piece of pumpkin like this. I put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes just to get it soft. So this is the end result. It actually cuts down the cooking time. Okay, I have some carrots, butternut squash, some onions, cooking cream, ginger, pepper, grounded coriander, salt, vegetable stock, and some olive oil. Okay, so I'm heating some oil on medium-high heat. We're gonna start by sauteing our onions. And then you know when the onions are sauteed when they're translucent. So while they're cooking, I'm gonna grate my ginger on top of the onions like now. And the quantity of ginger is totally by preference. So what I'm doing now, it's about, I'll say a teaspoon or half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of ginger. Okay. I like when it's spicy. I like when it's warm. So, but the ginger in this soup is everything. Okay, let me get that. I'll make sure to keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. See if it's too hot, you turn down the heat just to make sure nothing gets burned. Alright, so I'm gonna add about half a teaspoon of grounded coriander. Mix it. Making sure it doesn't stick to the pan. And now add the pumpkin, butternut squash. I like the butternut squash because it brings this creaminess. It makes it smooth and velvety. Velvety, that's the right word. And it gives a very nice texture to the soup. And some carrots. Okay. I'm trying to make sure that all the pieces are coated with oil because it's very important. Oh guys, I wish you could smell what I'm smelling right now. The onions and the coriander and the ginger is coming through. And now let's add the vegetable stock. So on medium heat, I will let it cook until everything is soft. So the carrots, the butternut squash also, I'll make sure that it's all soft. And then we'll come back to it to add the cooking cream. Alright. Okay, so let's check. So let's make sure that everything is cooked and soft. So all of our vegetables are cooked. We're gonna blend everything with a stick blender. Alright. So guys, you want to make sure that everything is blended well to have a very smooth texture. uniform texture. So now you can see our soup is all smooth. We'll add some cooking cream and we'll let it simmer for a couple minutes just for it to blend well with the soup. So guys, I'll cover it and we'll let it simmer for a couple minutes and our soup will be ready. Okay, so there you have it. So we have this very velvety soup and let's taste it. Yes, I think the butternut squash is a must in the soup if you really care about the texture. And the ginger, I'm surprised. I would actually add more ginger. It's there, it's very subtle and you can feel it, but it's not overwhelming. It's just perfect. So delicious. And I forgot to mention, but the ginger is actually very well as a soup and it's very well for your digestion. So it's just very good for your health, and I prefer fresh ginger. So just get the fresh ginger root and grate it. So I forgot to mention that. I think it's important. So there you have it. Thank you for coming to my kitchen. I'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe.